Second game na po tayo ng ating Delta Cup. We're coming to you live for the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines. Good morning, Maya Padayap. Trying para po lamang, and of course, we update you our first game result earlier. San Fernando winning over Candaba 100 to 72. This one was the best play of the ball game, and of course, two contrasting teams. San Simon wants to bounce back from a loss yesterday. Samantala naman ang APALIT, they won yesterday against Bacolor 85 to 78. One important aspect for San Simon, they must limit their fouls. Napakarami nilang fouls nung last game. Para naman sa APALIT, they must have a good start dahil slow start sila nung first quarter, pero buti lang pagdating sa fourth quarter, they used their fast break, they used their rebounding, and they drew a lot of fouls from their opponents. So this will be a contrasting, and this will be a fun game to watch. APALIT versus San Simon coming up next. Okay, we are about to start our second game of our six-game affair, APALIT versus San Simon. Starters for APALIT, we have Masiba, Danting, Silvestre, Garcia, and Montalvo. Completing the five for San Simon, we have Punsalan, Dimla, Rivera, Garcia, and Angeles. Referees for this ball game is going to be Danilo Pimentel. We also have... let's check it out. Nakalimutan ko. Ayun. Nandun yung referees natin. Aking mga papel dito. We have Andrew Fabelico. And of course, Arnold Lazaro completing the referees in charge. Also, we're also live sa mga iba-ibang mga kababayan natin. One former model now living in Australia, also watching right now in Sydney, New South Wales. Dulce Franco and his family watching right now this Delta Cup in Australia. Good morning, Mike. Good morning. And of course, in Australia, a sporting event is currently on hold. It's currently ongoing. Is the Australian Open, first of the 4 Grand Slams this year, 2024. As this game is underway, first miss for APALIT. APALIT wearing in white, San Simon wearing in blue. So ito yung magkapit bahay. So kung manggagaling kayo ng MacArthur Highway, unang-unang bayan na mapupuntahan nyo from Bulacan is APALIT. And susunod yan, San Simon. San Simon is where the NLEX toll gate is. Zilch-0 is the count. We are 25 seconds into the first quarter. So since we have a lot of English viewers, majority of my broadcast will be English for this game. Masibag. He's swinging around on the left side. 3-point shot on its way. That is not close from the rebound. Ponsalan pushes on APALIT, a big APALIT player. And Ponsalan will be giving up a foul. That's first personal on Ponsalan. And Montalvo, the center skipper for APALIT, getting the first rebound for the white shirts. And hey, I think the mayor is here. The mayor of APALIT is here. The mayor is wearing in green, the number 1. That's the mayor of APALIT, Jun Tetanco, is in attendance. In the meantime, there's a foul. And we have a foul given up. Later on, we're going to see the screen, our beloved mayor of APALIT, Jun Tetanco. And APALIT improved steadily the team standings. They are now considered one of the elite teams. They are on a 3-game winning streak. Danting for the corner. He got the best player honors last time out. Missed the shot. And we have a foul from APALIT. And we're gonna have a closer look at our beloved mayor of municipality of APALIT. We're gonna show you that in a short while. Here it comes. The one wearing in green, that with the number 1 is our mayor of APALIT, Jun Tetanco. Good morning po, Mayor. Maya pa dapat po. 8:38 remaining in the first. 3-point shot on its way, a failure. Battle for the rebound. From the corner, Punsalan does not work. And the blue shirts of San Simon getting back to the offensive rebound. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Punsalan, touch passing. The shot will not work. Great styming defense by Isaac Danting, who had best player honors last time out. Danting, his shovel dribble intercepted. And here comes San Simon. They're looking for a 3 and they fail. Montalvo clears the board. Center skipper for APALIT. Again, good morning, Mike. Good morning, Dulce Franco. I am now live. On the other end of the floor, it's going to be a steal and a conversion for San Simon. First bucket of the ball game. 2-0 inside count. 7:47 remaining in the first quarter. So this is going to be an interesting matchup considering the fact that APALIT's on the winning streak. San Simon wants to bounce back from a sorry loss from last time out. 3-point shot from the corner. Bullseye. Three-two is our tally. Garcia bringing it downtown. Garcia. From the baseline. Hang time move. Smothered. And here comes another fast break finish for APALIT. 4 straight points for the guard. Garcia. Rivera will bring it downtown for San Simon. It is now 5-2. After the drop of his blood, 5 straight points for APALIT. Here's the low post play on the outside. Ponsalan. Oh! Oh, that's a dangerous volley if I ever saw one. But Silvestre knows how to leap. Take a look at this in slow-mo, direct. Let's see that. Here's the... can we rewind it a little bit? Medyo napatas. Later on, we will show that. In the meantime, 6 on the shot clock. Shot will not work. And the rebound control for APALIT. Rivera with a blocking foul. Offensive foul. It's an offensive foul against APALIT. 6:38 remaining in the first. APALIT 5, San Simon 2. Again, for Australian viewers, Dulce Franco and the family, hello, good morning. Hope you enjoy the beach right there in Down Under. The time there in Australia is already noontime. And it's already summer on the southern hemisphere. It's very hot there. 6:21 remaining in the first. Slow down tempo now for Garcia. They swing it around on top of the key. Now on the left quarter court. There's a pick by Montalvo. Pick utilizes. Garcia momentarily open. Shot clock at 10. Garcia dancing around. And it's going to be a bump foul on Rivera. Six minutes remaining in the first. Later, on our penultimate game, on game 5, we will show you that on my live Facebook page. In the meantime, a turnover. .59 left in the first quarter. 5-2 now. APALIT with a 3-point lead. 10 on the shot clock. From the baseline. Here's the low post play. The shot will not work. Rebound. It's going to be counted and foul. And Silvestre will be meted with a foul. Garcia doing good for San Simon. As we take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Off the rebound. Hacking foul on Silvestre and 1. Free throw is good. Again, our referees for the second game. Crew chief is Arnold Lazaro, Andrew Fabelico, and Noel Menchero, or rather Adarino Pimentel, as Garcia with a great escape act from the baseline. 7-5 APALIT. 5:18 sa ating first quarter. Simbulan. 3-point shot on the left quarter court. San Simon. Good field goal shooting as Angeles swings the bell from 3-point territory. Halfway mark in the first quarter, 5 minutes. On the baseline, Silvestre at low post. The drop pass. Isaac Danting. 5 to shoot. Garcia momentarily open. He pulls up a 3. That's air ball. Danting, shot clock expired. He throws it up. Not quite. It's going to be a shot clock violation. It's going to be a shot clock violation. (8-7) San Simon. .435 remaining in the first quarter, rather. Cross court, Angeles drives, and he turned the ball over. Silvestre. Garcia. Natun Danting. Danting uses a pick from Silvestre. Pulls up at 3 points with a pump fake. The short. Rebound controlled by San Simon. Fast break. Skip pass. Put back. Unable to hit. And that's a turnover. Oh, one referee also from SBP celebrating his birthday today. One of the international referees of SBP, Arnulfo Bermeo, or Ariel Bermeo. Happy birthday, Rep. 8-7 is our tally. 3:49 starting first quarter. Isaac Danting on the left side. Drives, goes glass, didn't drop. Rebound controlled by the blue shirts. Simbulan brings it down court. Rivera on the right side, 3-point bomb, no explosion. Ball is loose. The blue shirts picks it up right down the base. Almost strip away. Bad scramble. San Simon still has it. Top angle, top shot, didn't work. 10 on the shot clock. Rivera is open. Airballs the three-pointer, and here's the fast break of APALIT. Nice up break. Blocked by Rivera. Nice chase. First time out on the floor. It's going to be APALIT to score 8-7 San Simon. Back to live action right here in BREN Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. 8-7 ang ating talaan sa 1-point lead for San Simon. Closely fought encounter. And it seems like that competition here in the Delta Cup is going to be stiffer and stiffer. But for the rest of our schedule, we'll have one schedule this Saturday. January 20, we don't have a game. But we will have consecutive games at the end of this month. In the meantime, 16 on the shot clock. 8-7 is the count. Here's a three-point bomb. No explosion. Battle for the rebound. Faultly fought for. And the White Shirts has it. And here's Garcia. Dribbling down court. The drop pass inside to Isaac Danting. The skip pass. And it's going to be a conversion and a foul. Masibak with a three-point play opportunity. Great interior passing results in a foul. Results with a three-point play opportunity. Kabigding with his first personal. And a bonus now for Masibag. He's the third leading scorer last time out on the win of APALIT. Free throw is good. And it's now 10-8 APALIT. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25. Saliman will bring the ball down court for the blue shirts. Saliman with the lateral assault to the basket, pays off. Ten all. 2 minutes in the first. Escape act. Almost a three-point play opportunity, but nonetheless, Garcia will have a consolation prize of 2 free throws. .203 remaining. Saliman will be called for his first personal. First free throw is no good for Garcia. The second is good. 2 minutes remaining in the first. Cross-court pass for San Simon. Only 10 seconds on the shot clock. Low post play. Outside, Saliman can connect. Under 2 minutes remaining, and here's Isaac Danting sprinting down court. Missing the layup. Makapagal tips it in. 13-10. And once again, APALIT wants to steal, but there's a counter steal. Kabigting with a pump fake. And a foul given up by APALIT. It's going to be a hacking foul. Huh? $13-10 is our tally. One more free throw for Kabigting. Official score, APALIT 13, San Simon 10. Time remaining a minute and 20 in the first quarter. They're swinging around. Isaac Dating right down the baseline. The halftime move draws a foul from Angeles. Two more free throws. This time for Isaac Dating, who bagged the best player honors yesterday with their win against Bacolor. He rarely missed free throws. Free throw is good. (14-10) set count. It's a 4-point lead for APALIT within a minute and 8 remaining in the first quarter. Saliman will bring it downtown for the Blue Shirts of San Simon. They have 17 seconds on the shot clock now. Here's the jump shot from the left quarter court. That was made by Santos. 14-12 APALIT. 51 ticks to go. Finger roll by the big guy Montalvo. 16-12 APALIT. Time down to 40 ticks. Game 2 of 6 of our Delta Cup. We're down on English broadcast because we have a lot of viewers, Freeland viewers watching this broadcast abroad, as far as North America and Australia. And another turnover by APALIT. Also watching for my fellow Mapuan, Capes Beach, Sydney. Randy Day, hello mate. Also watching. 25 seconds into the first quarter. Saliman will bring it downtown for the Blue Shirts. 2-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Shot clock now is at 12 seconds. You can see the game clock on the lower right hand side of your screens. Hang time move didn't drop. Battle for the win by the white shirts. And here's Montalvo with 7 seconds remaining. Sprinting down court. Hang time move by Montalvo. And Jun Tetanco, the mayor of APALIT, is so happy with that brilliant move. Look at that. A la Paul Alvarez and a la Michael Jordan. All smiles by Mayor Jun Tetanco on that last move by Montalvo. 3-point play opportunity. 3-point play, Montalvo. Air balls that shot. Yun lang. 1.5 ticks. Last shot time for San Simon. The lead is 6, 18-12. Saliman. A steal by Montalvo with 1 second to go. Can he go for the layup? APALIT running amok on fast break, although Montalvo missed that shot. Our first quarter score is 18-12. Let's take a look at some highlights of the first with one of this. That shot will not count. Montalvo really spiritedly drive to the basket. Back in a moment. This is Delta Cup. Second quarter is almost underway, and I would also like to greet one of the DJs of Winch 107.5 also watching. She will be at the Hernando Coliseum later. DJ Debra Saida. Second quarter is underway. Let's review the lineups. We have Saliman, Pascual, We also have this guy who's passing. That's, as we see, a bucket by Dizon. Kabigting, Simbulan, and Santos completing the 5 for San Simon. Line 33 remaining. The score is 20-12. APALIT now with an 8-point edge. We end the first quarter at 18-12. Shot will not work. Now let's review the lineups for APALIT. We have, of course, the Montalvo who had spectacular moves there. Magbilang, we have Harlego. We also have Macapagal. And Dizon completing the 5 for APALIT. Turnover. Saliman on a fast break will challenge two defenders. Here it comes. The reverse call into deep. But Simbulan's right there for the stick back. Careless dribble there by Montalvo. Santos consummates. (2016) APALIT up by 4. Time down to 8 minutes and a half remaining in the first quarter, or second quarter rather. Missed shot by APALIT from the break, and here's Simbulan. Will not force the issue. San Diego. Santos from the baseline. Thwarted, aborted. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Simbulan on the right wing. Kick out to Santos, 20-footer short. Easy rebound there by Montalvo, and he was tripped by Simbulan with a pushing foul. (2016) 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Montalvo looking on. Garcia can't penetrate. It is going to be a traveling for Montalvo. (7:45 in the second quarter. 20-16 is our tally. Saliman on the outside, short on his 3-point attempt. And now APALIT will bring down the ladder. Again, we're live with both Facebook pages of Sinag Liga Asia and Pampanga PIO. Or Salihan pala. I'm sorry, it's Salihan. Whoops. Going to be a double foul. Thank you so much, Ralph, for correcting me. It's Salihan. Stand corrected. All right, we have a double foul. (2016) Wait for a moment. So as a result, okay, but that's a double foul. Number 9, Pascual, and number 12, Danting. Number 9, Pascual, already his second personal foul. The results of the jump ball possession for APALIT, and they make good at that possession. Montalvo with another N1 opportunity. Take a look at this. Great escape act, Montalvo. Spring chicken legs there, huh? And Montalvo so far has been the catalyst of APALIT in this ball game. So every win of APALIT, there's always a player that stood out. Meron laging nag-i-step up sa APALIT big time. Last time out si Danting, ngayon naman Montalvo ang gumagawa ng puntos, or Montalvo's making baskets after baskets for APALIT. And Montalvo completes a 3-point play. He has 7 points and 3 rebounds in the first half. 23-16. Low scoring second quarter. Hang time move didn't pay off. It's going to be a foul. It's a holding foul on Isaac Danting. That will be his second personal foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yes, he holds it. He holds it in the hand. Isaac Danting now with 2 personal fouls. First free throw is good for Garcia. One more free throw for Garcia. The lead is down to 5, 23-18. 6 minutes and 51 left in the second quarter. Hang time move by Isaac Danting. However, referee calls a technical of somebody. As we take a look at this brilliant drive by Isaac Danting. And as a result of that taunting by Danting to someone, Isaac Danting was called for a technical foul. And that propels Danting with his 3rd personal foul because of that taunting expression after that shot. So sa ating mga kapal na kababayan, may foul trouble na po tayo. Isaac Danting, nung best play nung huli, 3 na po ang kanyang personal foul. Dahil after ng kanyang basket, ay binigyan siya ng referee ng technical foul on taunting. Thank you for the viewers. Jason Villanueva, Joseph Ponce, Rob Simbulan Rueda, thank you for the correction. And Glay Nalubnis. Saliman in the west of San Simon, just 20, now 20-7, 25-18. Simbulan is swinging around on the right wing. Here's a 3-point shot on its way. A failure. Kind of fast break for APALIT. Montalvo drops it up to the wrong party. Simbulan, one-handed shot. Not close. Pascual pushes somebody. It's going to be Pascual. And Pascual also with 3rd personal foul. You see that hand gesture by Deputy Commissioner Toto Marquez. Take a look at this missed shot. And look at that. Pascual elbows Montalvo from that loose ball. And the score 25-18, 6 minutes and 10 remaining. We have a ceasefire. With 6 minutes and 10 remaining, it is a 7-point lead for APALIT, but don't count out San Simon yet. They are really striving to have an upset of colossal proportion against a powerhouse club like APALIT. And especially right now is Mayor Jun Tetanco of APALIT is in attendance here at the BREN Convention Center. Good morning. This is game 6 of our Delta Cup right here. My name is Ram Paro. The reason why I'm broadcasting this majority of my broadcast in English because we have a lot of Australian viewers watching. We have two of the viewers are Philams from Sydney, Australia, watching right now. Inside incursion, nothing. And here's APALIT. Montalvo has been the catalyst. Nice crossover, the drop. Masibag pumping, the release. No basket. It's going to be traveling. Also, Semi Weber now watching. 25-18, the lead is 7. Here's a 3-point shot. Salihan connects. 3-point region, 3-point connection for Salihan. Chops down the lead of APALIT to 4. 25-21, time remaining is 5 minutes and 11 in the second quarter. All 5-quarter basketball, all players passing, and Magalang is scoring, or Maglalang scoring rather. Pascual with 3 personal fouls. From the baseline. That shot is smothered, but there's going to be a foul on Montalvo. If that's Montalvo, that's probably his second. Let's check. Montalvo, only his first personal. Okay. First personal foul on Montalvo. First free throw is good for Garcia. And of course, coming at halftime, we'll have some halftime analysis, halftime highlights, and also the box scores, the top 2 or 3 scores for both teams. 2 for 2 for Garcia. 27-23, APALIT up by 4. 4 minutes and 45. Dimla takes the steal off that errant pass, and that's going to be a conversion for San Simon. Pascual chops down the lead of APALIT to just 2. Very, very closely fought encounter here in the first half. Almost a turnover. Batted away by Dimla. Picked up by APALIT. And it's going to be another traveling. (27-25). Salihan 3. Nothing. Fast break it works. Garcia will challenge the big man of San Simon, but he moves out. And that's going to be a foul on San Simon. Penalty situation in effect for both teams. So free throws time for Garcia. And so far, he only missed 1 free throw. 4 out of 5 for Garcia. 5 out of 6. Junior Cortez says, go San Simon. The lead is back to 4 for APALIT, 29-25, approaching the 4-minute mark of the second quarter. Cross-court pass for San Simon. 10 seconds to shoot. Here it comes. 3-point shot. Angeles drills it. Just a 1-point lead separating this ball club to 3 minutes and 47 seconds. The extra pass. Garcia turns. Moves out. Pops out a jumper from 17. It fails. The tip, it won't work. Counter steal for APALIT. Maglalang misses the layup. And that's going to be a foul. And another player for San Simon in foul trouble is Dimla. Last time out, Dimla fouls out. Now he has 3 fouls. He needs to be sitting on the bench. In place of him is Kuranan. So far, only Garcia is the consistent free throw shooter. Macapagal misses on that one. It's just a solitary point between APALIT and San Simon, 29-28. Reagan Sylvester Miranda says, shout out to Benjamin. Also shout out to Aaron Palo and Kerr Rotoni. (15 to shoot. The drop from the corner. Shot will not work. Rebound control for APALIT, but the big guy throws away. That's Montalvo. On the other end, Pascual misses the layup. Counter fast break for the white shirts of APALIT. Masibag. Angeles takes it away. San Simon on the fast lane, and he cannot deliver that particular shot. Ball trickles out. Safety tap now. Garcia brings it downtown. Much bigger defender on him. Will use his quickness at Garcia. Garcia pulls up on 3-point region. That's short. Kailan by shot. No rebound is there for APALIT with only 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 30-28 APALIT. 14 to shoot. They're looking for Angeles, who has been a gunner. Here it comes. Will not shoot a 3. Instead, drops it up to an open teammate. Ponce Talan will not deliver, but He will have a consolation prize of 2 free throws. And Garcia will be called for his second personal foul. And look at the fans in disgust of that last foul. You know, APALIT talagang napaka-passionate nila. Pag hindi nila gusto yung tawag, titignan mo sa replay na to, ha. Medyo yun, manipis ang tawag. Nag-ano kagad, nag-react kagad ng mga fans ng APALIT. It's what you call a tiki-taki foul. And the referee has spotted a warning for APALIT for improper bench decorum as a result. So you can see Australian viewers, even in a provincial games like this, you can see the municipalities, you can see the passionate fans. If they are not inclined of the call, they will react. The score now is 30-29, just a 1-point lead for APALIT. Time down to 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go in the first half. Again, my name is Ryan Paro doing the call for the Delta Cup. Maglalang lost it. And now San Simon has a chance to grab the lead for the very first time in the game. Can they do it? They're going to do it on the free throw line as Montalvo was called for the foul. And again, the fans of APALIT is up in arms. Montalvo will be called for the second personal foul. Take a look at this replay. It's a bump. The referee called it. You'll be the judge. And Kunanan airballs the shot. Mamshi Aminet says shout out Tiger Nanan. And a free throw violation. Yes, our mayor is here. Mayor of APALIT. Earlier you saw that on camera. Mayor Junte Tango. But his team is only up by 1. Kunanan with a foul on Sylvester. And Sylvester will go to the line for 2 free throws as a result of penalty situation. Excuse me, Paul. Under 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 52 in the first half. Aaron Paulo says, shout out to Matt Pangan Flores. Kunanan will go to the bench. And Kunanan. So this is going to be a battle of the bands. San Simon band is already here. 2 missed shots there. Once again, another chance in the devices for San Simon to take the lead. Not this time around, missing a 3. Pitch to Garcia. And there's some trumpets here. Garcia scored anyway. Garcia scored anyway. And with David, shout out to Dolores and Mary Jane David with 1 minute and 27 remaining. It's now 32-29. APALIT. San Simon's 3 ball, no sock there for Kunan. Garcia will bring it downtown. 1 minute and 13 in the first half. Back to Garcia, the drop off. Maglalang back to Garcia. Nicely done. 34-29. Under a minute remaining in this first half. Pascual has slowed down the tempo. Pascual has 3 fouls together with Dimla. Baseline drive. 8 on the shot clock. Here's the 3 ball. Can't connect. And the big guy gets the rebound. It's going to be a foul from the backcourt. Kabigting. And Kabigting will be called for his second personal foul. And 2 free throws for the big guy. Here's Montalvo will shoot 2 free throws. Shout out for Eric Pasha. Shout out for Jong Orogo. Shout out for Matt Pangan Flores. Montalvo. Okay, the fans here at the BREN Convention Center, we will not allow trumpets. The trumpets here are not allowed because it will distract the whole playing field. So, yeah, in other countries like Australia or in Europe, it's allowed. But here in the Philippines, it's not allowed. Nakaka-distract o maingay pag gano'n eh, yung trumpeta. Free throw is good. Timeout for San Simon. The lead is 5:34-29. We'll be right back. Welcome back. And here's the congressman and also the mayor on your left side of the screens, wearing in green and number 1, Mayor Jun Tetanco of APALIT, a big supporter of basketball and sports. We're back in harness here at the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, 35-29. Of course, Mayor Jun is taking a break from his mayoral duties in APALIT. One progress of that APALIT, of course, is the upcoming free hospital and also the upcoming PNR station, electrical station there in APALIT. Final 35 seconds of the first half. 100 shot. Silvestre grabs the rebound for APALIT. Garcia will slow down the tempo. 4-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Shot clock is 13 seconds. The game clock is on the lower right-hand side of your screens. 9-second shot clock. Garcia makes his move. Shaking big. Drives hard. Goes for the layup too strong. 7 seconds remaining on the first half. Angeles still on the front court. 1 second to go. They need to throw it up. Angeles runs out of time. First half is history. 35 APALIT, 29 San Simon. Halftime highlights, halftime stats, halftime analysis coming right at you after this. You're watching Delta Cup. Halftime score natin is 35-29. Let's take a look at the highlights of the first half for both APALIT and San Simon respectively. Start off with this brilliant drive by Montalvo and one. And for San Simon, put back there. And another fast break for San Simon, courtesy of Pascual, who has 3 fouls. The drop, and Garcia makes good. Take a look at the scoring for both squads. Garcia leading the charge for APALIT with 14, Montalvo with 8, and Danting with 3. For San Simon, Garcia with 7, Angeles with 6, Salihan with 5. Take note, San Simon had 2 players in foul trouble. That's Dimla and Pascual. Second half is coming up after this. Okay, we're just moments away of starting the second half. And also watching another referee, Royak Salvacion and Amos Central, also watching the game right now. Let's review the lineups for APALIT. We have Garcia, Silvestre, Maglalang. We also have number 3 player of APALIT. That's we'll check his name shortly. And also this one, Montalvo. For San Simon, we have Salihan, Garcia, we have Simbolan, we have Punsalan, and Pascual, who has 3 fouls. Those are the 5s for this third quarter. Welcome back. Coming to you live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga, Philippines, wherever you are over the world. We're broadcast from Facebook of Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. We have a very first ball in the third quarter. And now Salihan, number 15 of San Simon, collected his 3rd personal foul. 10 to shoot. That's a race, but it is a goaltending basket counted for APALIT. And look at the coach, visibly upset. He wants to review that last goaltending. However, the referee didn't give the coaching staff an opportunity to review that last bit of action. Remember, every coach has a coach's challenge. You can only use it once in the entire game. It's too late. Ponsalan upbreaks, drives, goes for it. No. Battle for the rebound, won by APALIT. The love. Maglalang can't handle it. San Simon with a letter. It's swinging around. Salihan, remember, number 15 player has 3 fouls. Here's the drive. Again, intercepted by Silvestre. Fast pick opportunity. And that will not consummate. And that's going to be a foul against APALIT. Is there a foul? There's no foul. Just an out of bounds play. 8:27 left in the third. The lob pass. That's an interception. Montalvo. Hack in the air. By is that Simbulan? No. It's the second personal foul on Garcia. The 2 free throws for Montalvo. Split for Montalvo. The lead is 8, 37-29. Nice reverse for Simbulan. Montalvo brings it downtown for APALIT. Back to Garcia. Great escape act. Ho ho! 16 points for Garcia. Leading all scores. From the corner, Pascual overshoots the mark. Garcia lightning quick. Reminds me of Ricardo Brown. Although that time he lost his shooting touch. Simbulan will challenge Silvestre to no avail. He backs out. That layup is thwarted. Aborted. Masibag. Kick out. Montalvo, the center, missing the three. You know, even the centers can shoot outside because they're not 7-footers. So they have a license to shoot, especially if the coaches give you a green light to do that. And we have a foul. It's a foul on number 14. Wait. It's kind of unclear. That's why Coach Toto Marquez cannot see if there's a foul. It's that that last situation is kind of unclear, but I think the foul is on Silvestre. But anyhow, play continues. Another free throw for Garcia. It's a miss. It's going to be a foul on Garcia. And Garcia will be called for his third personal. That's a 13 foul San Simon. And here's Danting's highlight. Hang time. 41-32. Simbulan the runner. It goes out. Danting. Pick provided. Then to shoot. Goes left. Drives hard. Reverse. He got it. Back-to-back baskets for Danting. Timeout will be called by San Simon. As APALIT threatening to pull away, they're up by 11, 43-32. (43-32), 6 minutes and 27 remaining. It's an 8-3 third quarter score. 8 points for APALIT and only 3 for San Simon from a 35-29 halftime score. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 14. 11-point lead for APALIT, 43-32. Shot clock now at 12 seconds. Salihan on the right wing. Angeles. Corner flip. Yes. Garcia drills a 3. Lead is down to 8. 35-43. Ten to shoot now. Beck provided. Danting creates and scores. 6-point cluster for Danting in the third. But so far it has been Paul Garcia who has been prolific tonight, this morning. 10 to shoot. The other Garcia, the drop off to Simbulan. It's going to be a bump foul on Silvestre. And Silvestre will be called for his second personal foul. The shot clock of 14 seconds. From the corner, Angeles, sidestep, drop off, Punsalan, up fake, posted up. One-handed shot, yes, for Simbulan. Halfway point of the third quarter, 5 minutes. Garcia brings it downtown for the Wine Shirts. Dizon. Top of the key. Garcia on the right wing. Garcia crossover, hit his foot, out of bounds, goes back. Oh! It hits Salihan. So that means the ball will stay with the APALIT, and they only have 5 seconds on the shot clock. Silvestre will go out. And Manuel checks in, another big guy for APALIT. 2 seconds. Danting lets it fly. Hit the iron. Play continues. Decent bounce pass. The Hawk, no. Gets it right back, drops it up. Danting will score. All 8 points of Danting. Majority of his scoring coming from this quarter. Three-point shot. No soap. Lead is 10. 10! Ay! Danting rims it out on that layup. Salihan drops it up. And Garcia lays it in. Lead is back to 8. APALIT in control, but don't count out San Simon. They can come back anytime if they want to. Dizon on the left wing goes top of the key, drives, fakes, puts it up, puts it in. It is back to 10 for APALIT, 49-39. So far, APALIT with a 3-game winning streak. Garcia from 25. Nothing. Bakabagal brings it up court. Galloping. Driving. And there's going to be a foul. So another player for San Simon in foul trouble is Angeles with 3 fouls. Missed shot by Danting. He gets it right back. It goes out. But his 8-point contribution in the third quarter. But Angeles steals the ball and Rivera misses the layup. Dimla chops down the lead to 8. $14 fouls, San Simon. 2 team fouls, APALIT. The score, 49 APALIT, 41 San Simon. Time remaining third quarter, 2 minutes and 37. Danting double team. He's now a mark man. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia for 3. Short. And Dizon consummates the offensive stick back. 51-41. Swinging around on the left wing, Angeles. Crossover, drive, sidestep, drops it up. Rivera, block. 2 minutes remaining in the third. Let's see that again, this sequence. Superb shot block by Macapagal. 10-point, APALIT lead. Dizon brings it downtown. The big guy Montalvo has it on the right wing. Montalvo slightly slipped. Macapagal, butterfingers. Ball goes back to San Simon. Dimla. Kick out, 3-ball, Angeles. Nope. Handoff. Up fake. And he will take 2 shots. So, Maglalang will be called for his second personal foul. May shot there. Misses both. Lead is 10 still. A minute and 17 seconds. There's another foul. It's a holding foul on number 12 player of San Simon. That will be his first foul. 2 free throws for Dizon. Correction, that's a second personal foul. One more free throw for Dizon. Makes the first. Coming up next is going to be Porac versus Angeles. Porac versus Angeles is up next. Dizon makes both. The lead is 12, 53-41. Approaching 1 minute remaining in the third. Angeles from the corner. Lost his touch with the 3-point region. High na rebounds, Macapagal. Pitching over to smallest guy on the floor. Nice catch. And Masibag scores. Lead is 13. 39 ticks. Third quarter. Simbulan. Kick out to Rivera. Hop step. Nowhere to be found. Macapagal steals it again. Counter steal for San Simon. Dimla from the base. Reverse. Nope. Last shot time for Angeles. For Angeles. For APALIT before we end this quarter. 10 seconds. Dizon. The lob. Maglalang scores. 4 seconds. They steal it back 2 seconds ago. He throws it up and draw a foul. And if that's Dimla, or that's Rivera rather. It's Rivera, number 12. That's his third personal foul. 0.9 of a second. From the steal, there's a foul from the rear by Rivera. He pushed it. Macapagal for 2 free throws. 57-42. It's a 15-point bubble now for APALIT. From a 35-29, they already scored 22 points as compared to San Simon's only 13 so far in this third quarter. Big disparity. 58-42, 9/10. Throw it up. Third quarter ends 58-42. Let's see some of the highlights and of this third quarter that has been dominated by APALIT. Started with San Simon's fast break finish, courtesy of Garcia. And APALIT with an up fake. Dizon outsmarting everybody there. And Masibag with an inside foray. That ends the third quarter, 58-42. APALIT coming right up, fourth quarter here in the Cup. We're down to 10 minutes of playing time. And with this deficit of San Simon, 16 points, the big question is, can they outscore heavily against APALIT? That remains to be seen. Let's check the first five. The good block there. We see a bucket there by Salihan. Let's check out the five on the floor for APALIT. We have the big guy Montalvo, Macapagal, Masibag, Dizon, and Maglalang. That's five on the floor for APALIT. As we see, Dizon will not score. Tepin, Macapagal. One more time, no. Let's check out the lineups for San Simon. But first, we have a foul. And Dimla will be called for his fourth personal foul. And just a brink of disqualification. Dimla, together with him, is Garcia, Salihan, Garcia, and Pascual. Macapagal makes the first, 59-44. Maglalang misses off the stick back. And Salihan almost ran out of space. Garcia has it. Dimla with 4 fouls. Salihan. Punsalan, low post play. The turnaround, block. Blocked by Maglalang. Rebound control, Montalvo. Montalvo brings it up against Pascual. Counter steal. Pascual. Tap from behind. We're seeing one steals after the other. Helter-skelter basketball we're seeing here. And Masibag says, let's settle down. Dizon will chew up some clock. Dizon extricates. Bigger guy on him. He throws it up and scores. (61-44), 17-point edge for APALIT. 18-25 in the fourth quarter. And so far, the outstanding player here is Paul Garcia, number 23 player. He's on the bench. And the other players contributed immensely. Montalvo got the steal of the miss. Lays it up and in. Montalvo. APALIT cannot do anything wrong. Breaks of the game going their way. 63-44. We have a timeout. Hey, why is the clock running? We'll be right back. Five to 2-1 in the fourth quarter for APALIT. The lead is now ballooned to 19 points. And so far, it all started with this guy, Paul Garcia, number 23. Started the scoring, and now the other players contributing. 8-point third quarter performance by Isaac Danteng. And now Montalvo getting the rebounds and scoring at will. He brings down the ladder. And here's Garcia. He's one of the prime candidates of the best player honors. Quarterbacking immensely. He's now shooting, and he almost made it. On a fast break, Dimla with 4 fouls. Dimla will score. (63-46). Montalvo says, let's settle down. And now Isaac, that thing, after a brief rest, will now check back on the next dead ball situation. Garcia goes right. Want to outsmart Pascual. Picked by Montalvo. Garcia with 4 on the shot clock. Masibag, Montalvo, 1 second to shoot. Maglalang. He does not have enough time. Shot clock violation against APALIT. Isaac Danting checks in. Why is Danting's not checking in? I don't know about that. Referees missed that. Because it's a shot clock violation. Dapat si Danting papasok na. Dead ball situation yun. And suddenly, Isaac Danting need to wait for another next dead ball. 63-48. Masibag scores. 65-48. 6.5 minutes in this ball game. Dimla with 4 fouls. Ponsalan offers a pick. Here's the driving play by Garcia. No good. Tap away. Now Isaac Danting will check in. Together with the other player for San Simon. Remember, a lot of players of San Simon have been 3 fouls, but one player is already 4 fouls. That's Dimla. Pascual has 3 fouls. And also that player on number 31 also has 13 has 3 fouls. That's Angeles. So they need to be careful not giving useless fouls. Here's Isaac Danting, smothered. And the ball will go back to San Simon. Good call by referee Andrew Fabelico. 4 minutes gone by in this 4th and final quarter. Let's see if APALIT can hold on to this and make another W. Angeles for 3. Not quite. Easy rebound by Montalvo. Montalvo will bring it up. Masibag double team from the corner. Montalvo misses the layup. The tip in. Masibag cleans it up. 5.5 remaining. 67-48. Here's the low post play. They swing it around on the left side of the court. Pascual bounce pass. Good pass. Dimla lost it. He lost it. Silvestre checks in. And Macapagal will rest. Macapagal has a good account of himself, although he's not in double figures, but the dirty work, he's the one doing that for APALIT. Is APALIT just 5 minutes away for a W? They have a 19-point edge, 67-48. Crossover by Garcia. Gives it up to Silvestre. Banging bodies. Traveling. Halfway point of the final quarter. 5 minutes. Garcia. Angeles, he needs to drill this. Nope. Offensive rebound. Rejected. Traveling. Great defensive stance by Silvestre. Montalvo and Garcia. Martin Jep combo for APALIT, but so far Garcia has been consistent all game long. Garcia once again. Shake and bake. Danting with 8 points in the third. Can he continue his scoring binge in the fourth? Here it comes. The spin. Traveling. (67-48). Garcia to Punsalan. The drop off. Garcia intercepted that pass cleanly. 4:15 remaining in this fourth and final quarter. 11 seconds on the shot clock. The drop pass to Silvestre. What an assist by Garcia. What an assist. Wow. So this guy is the prime candidate for best player honors, all-around performance. 3:47 remaining. Here is Dimla. In and out. Angeles 3. No. Danting high in the rebound. Masibag. Reverse. Garcia. And Angeles clears the board. Pascual bounce pass. Bunsolan scoring quickly. And APALIT will call a timeout to at least give key players some breathing space. We'll be right back. So far in the fourth quarter, APALIT scored 11 and San Simon scored 8. Relatively, APALIT maintaining their 19-point lead with 3 minutes and 24. Things are looking good for APALIT to continue their winning streak to 4. Garcia, consistent, showing a playmaking. How about that? What a pass! Garcia's game-long brilliance has been prolific. The last foul is on Angeles. Will be his fourth personal foul. Is that correct? Another rebound. Garcia, number 32. Yeah, okay. 4 fouls now. Dimla has 4. And also number 32 has 4. Garcia will drive to the paint. Garcia scores! Unanimous. Garcia having APALIT to smile. The stop shot didn't work for Garcia. And that takes the cake. Inside, Silvestre, banging bodies. That's too much. Offensive foul on Silvestre. And Silvestre will be called for his third personal foul. Take a look at this last bit of action. Wala. Sige. Tuloy natin. Play continues. 2:25 remaining. APALIT looking good. 21-point cushion. It's a kickball. It's going to be 14-second shot clock. So players for San Simon checking in. And Dima will rest with 4 personal fouls. And likewise Punsalan. All right, 2:20 left. Well, APALIT is on its way for another W. Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? One fan from APALIT says, "Ooh, we are not." That means let's go home. That's the Kenny Smith expression, let's go home. We're approaching the last 2 minutes, and this guy, Garcia, number 23, is nothing short of amazing performance. Backing up Isaac Danting. Last 2 minutes. Danting double figures with 10. Garcia with 20 points. 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals. Excellent performance. Another rebound by Denting, and we can safely say now with a 23-point lead for APALIT, this game for APALIT is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. The heads are coding. The ball is getting hard. The jello's jiggling, and another basket. Another basket. And that sealed the deal. Final nail on the coffin for San Simon. Now we're just gonna have the final score in place as we have the 3-point shot miss. Easy rebound, Montalvo. Look at that. Look at that wingspan. Tinayo niya yung bola. Parang Statue of Liberty. Garcia. Game-long brilliance. Wow. I'm gonna interview him for a while. Razzle-dazzle. Low post play, Silvestre. Inatrasan. Missed the shot. Battle for the rebound. Silvestre has it. Isaac Danting. Garcia. 7 to shoot. Umatras muna. Let's see. Back dribbles. Drives. Garcia pulls up. Jumper. Partially deflected. 2 seconds on the shot clock. It's going to be a jump ball. Jump ball will be pointed to San Simon. Okay, they're not gonna have timeout. So, baseline. Layup, yes, for Kiambao. First field goal for Kiambao. Rarely used in this game. 34 ticks. Garcia attacks. Silvestre. Offensive foul Silvestre. That will be his 4th personal foul. Sabi ng coach, wala na yun. Tapos na ang laban. Huwag na kayong matake. Ubus na lang ng oras. That means in English, do not attack anymore. Do not give up fouls. This game is over. 75-52 with only 20 seconds remaining. Reyes scores. That's it. 75-54. This game is over. Let San Simon press. Once you cross the half-second line, that's enough. There you go. Game is over. 5 seconds. Final score, 75-54. It's a big win. It is a big, big win for APALIT. Again, back-to-back. So, our best player of the ballgame, I'll interview him. It's number 23, Garcia. We'll be right back.
Baby.
Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check, sound check, sound check. (75-54), another dominating performance ng APALIT. Best player of the ball game, Lender Garcia, 20 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 4 steals. Game-long brilliance. Hindi mo pinahiya ang APALIT. Nandiyan si Mayor Jun Tetangco. Na-inspire ka bang ilaro yung A-game mo?
Siyempre po, una, nandiyan po si Mayor. Kailangan po pakitang gilas kasi po, yung APALIT po kasi todo suporta sa amin and binibigay po lahat para maano po namin yung laro dito. And yung po, pati po sa family ko, todo suporta din po sila kaya binibigay ko po talaga i-game ko lagi. Yun po, thank you. Paulo basa.
Ngayon, isa sa mga marquee matchups ng abangan ng tao this end of January, yung Delta Cup is gonna be the home team San Fernando. Paano mo po mapagkaandaan yung game na yun?
Siyempre po, unang-una, practice po talaga kailangan and siyempre po yung mga teammate ko, hindi lang naman po dapat konti lang, kasi po minsan po sa practice talagang binibigay po namin lahat. Kaya feel ko po, kaya naman po namin pagandaan every game po.
Lender, pinasa ka na ni Isaac Danting na best player nung last game. Eto, pagkakataon ng bumati, nandiyan ng camera, pwede ka na bumati at magpasalamat.
Binabati ko nga pala yung family ko, si daddy po, nanonood po dyan, si mami po, mga kapatid ko, and yung mga kaibigan ko po, sila Pau po, lahat po ng taga Bolocong, and girlfriend ko po, binabati ko na. Thank you po.
Lender Garcia, best player of the ballgame, congratulations Alright, we have more games to come. Kanina in-announce ko na yung third game. 4 games to go. This is Delta Cup. We'll be right back.